Now when I create my tree factor, I can start with any two factors I want. So say I decide to start with 10 times 24. Then I would say that 10 is 2 and 5. And those are primes, so I circle them. 24 I could split up as 3 times 8. 3 is a prime. 8 I could split up as 2 times 4. And I know 2 is a prime. And 4 I could split up as 2 and 2. And those two are primes. Now I'll look and say what I have here. I have 2, 2, 2, and 2. So I got 4 2's, a 3, and a 5. So what I can say is that 240 is 2 to the 4th, because there's 4 2's, times 3 times 5. Now your tree factor may look different, and that's perfectly fine, but your product of the primes should still be the same, and that's the important piece of this. Now 324, if I do 324, I may not know many options, so maybe I just start with 2. And that would be 2 times 162. 2's prime, so I circle it. And maybe I go again. This would be 2, and then I've got 81. Now from here, I could recognize that 81, oh, that's 9 times 9. And then each 9 would split into 3 times 3. Now you may get to your product of primes differently, but you should still end up with 2 squared times 3 to the 4th power. Okay, and if you wrote those out, it would be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We just simplify that by writing it as a product of our powers. And that would be your tree factor and product of powers.